Today happens to be another opportunity for us to continue striving for excellence as we navigate our journey of study abroad. Today we are looking at a wonderful opportunity at an institution called St. Joseph's University in the city of Philadelphia in Pennsylvania in the United States. This institution has a very high acceptance rate of 89%, which makes it a right university to include in the schools that you are applying to. So without wasting much time, let's head to the website of this university to learn a bit about them. So this is the beautiful website of the university, St. Joseph University, which is located in the city of Philadelphia in the state of Pennsylvania. Now this university has so many programs, both undergraduate and graduate programs. And one thing about the university is that application for undergraduate programs are free. That means if you decide to apply to any of the undergraduate programs, whether you are a domestic applicant or an international applicant, you are not required to pay any amount. You can forward your application to be considered for free. But as for graduate students, you have to pay an application fee, and so if you want it waived, you can write to the programs coordinator or the admission department explaining why this presents as a hurdle in your application process. If they find your request reasonable, they may grant the application waiver on your application so that it can be considered for admission. All right, having said that, let's head to the programs, both undergraduate and graduate programs that are offered by this university. So we are going to look at the undergraduate programs first before going to the page of the graduate programs. So let's just look for the undergraduate programs. All right, let's go back and see. So undergraduate here, then let's scroll down. Let's scroll down to see the undergraduate programs. So I can't find them. Sometimes it could be difficult finding certain pages on certain websites, so this is understandable. Okay, so we come to academics and we have undergraduate here, so I think we should be able to find the so we can search for the programs here, and it takes us to the programs page. So these are the programs. You have undergraduate. If you want masters, you can filter it. If you want doctoral programs, associate programs, also you can filter them by just clicking on it like that. But we want to look at only the undergraduate programs before we come to the rest. So if you take the undergraduate program just as I've done it here, you'll be able to see the programs that are offered at the undergraduate level. We have accounting major, we have actuarial science, we have art, we have art history, we have artificial intelligence for business, Asian studies, autism, behavioral studies, we have biochemistry, we have biology, biomedical sciences. We have this program is from bachelor's to doctoral, and it is in occupational therapy. The same thing applies to this one, physical therapy. I have many other programs that you can take your time to explore and then make a choice. So if you want to learn about a particular program, for example, if you want to learn about the environmental science program, you can just click on it, and then it will take you to the page where you can find adequate information about the programs, and then learn about it before forwarding your applications. So this is how you can search for an undergraduate program on this page. In the same way, if you want to search for a graduate program, you just have to click on the masters and then untick the bachelor's. Then it will filter all the graduate programs, the master's programs, for you to go through them, and then to learn about them before you forward your application. And it just happens in the same way for the rest. Like doctoral studies also is the same way, and then we have associate. So it just depends on the kind of program you are looking for, but I am more interested in the bachelor's program because you can forward an application to this university without paying any application fee if you are applying to a program which is an undergraduate program. So that is what I wanted you to know. And you don't have to apply for a separate scholarship. Once you are given admission, you are considered for merit-based scholarship, which is very significant. And so I will entreat you to consider applying to this university. If you want to learn how to apply, you can just click on the apply button and it takes you to this page, and you can read a lot about how to apply, all the information that you need to know, the information about scholarships and financial aid, and all other relevant information that needs to be known before you forward your application. They can be found on this page. So this is what I wanted you to know about this particular university. If this is your first time coming across a video on the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and hit on the notification bar so that anytime a new video is posted, you can easily be notified, and then you access the information in the video on time. Thank you very much for taking your time to go through this video. I hope to see you at the top. Bye.